It can be easy to get caught up in the online world, especially for children and young people, which is why it's so important for us to support and protect them. The Digital Resilience in Education programme puts children and young people at the heart of online safety, providing educators and families with the resources they need to help keep them safe online and helping ensure they can become more digitally resilient, whatever the device, wherever they are, throughout their day. From the home, to the schoolyard, to the classroom, it provides you with the tools to help them understand how to stay safe from harm and when to seek help. So whether they're on social media, messaging, gaming, or learning online, they'll still benefit from the best the online world has to offer, today, tomorrow, and in their future. The programme supports you with the knowledge, skills, and strategies to teach children and young people to be respectful and kind within their online relationships, protect their data, and keep their accounts and identity secure online. Think critically about what they see online to help them spot misinformation and scams and deal with online bullying and unacceptable behaviours. All this guidance, expert resources and training for online safety and security can be found in the Keeping Safe Online area of Hub. Having this information at your fingertips means you'll always be prepared to support children, parents and carers when they need it most. Remember, as the online world continues to develop, it's important that we do too, because children and young people's ability to thrive online is our priority. For more information on keeping safe online, visit Hub.